Welcome to the Apex Driver reservation tutorial. To ensure that you receive notifications of new rides, toggle the notifications button to online. Once a rider submits a reservation request, you will hear and see a notification. Tap the notification or open your app to view the reservation details in the dashboard. If you are available and interested in the reservation, tap the Show Interest button. If the rider chooses your offer to fulfill their request, you will receive a notification as well as a confirmation email. Open your reservation details to chat with your rider about the upcoming reservation. Additionally, 1 hour before your reservation time, you will both have the option to call each other through the app if needed. On reservation day, tap the Wait to Pick Up button to notify a rider that you are en route. This will also launch an optional navigation app for your convenience. At this time, your rider will be able to track your en route progress through their app. Once you arrive, tap the Arrived button to notify your rider. When your rider meets you at your car, have them provide to you the OTP, their one-time passcode. This is a great safety feature to help confirm that you are their driver and that they are your rider. Once you enter and verify their OTP in your app, your reservation is complete. At this time, you can both open your transportation provider apps and have them request their ride in order to begin their transportation. As a reminder, Apex Mobile App LLC is not a transportation network company, or TNC, and therefore provides the reservation only. Now, go and enjoy Apex Driver and your better rideshare experience.